So, what's going on, guys? I'm here today to talk about the Sony Fx30 and why I fell in love with this camera. Oh my God. If you've been following me from a long time ago, one of the first purchases I ever got, second purchases I ever got was a Sony Fx3. I am a literally dumbass for getting rid of that fucking camera. I'm so pissed off with myself for getting rid of this camera. You have no idea how pissed off I am with getting rid of this camera. That camera, the Sony Fx3. I was doing amazing work with it, right? But what I know now, if I had the Sony Fx3, is what I'm doing right now with the Sony Fx30. And let me tell you guys, this camera is literally a cinema camera. I was freaking out about the low ISO, the dual ISO for low light to only 2500, and I was doing everything backwards. You feel me? I was literally in the daytime I would film with 800 ISO, but when I'm filming with 800 ISO, I'm not favoring my highlight detail, and so I started filming with 2500 ISO, and let me tell you, I'm talking about in the daylight, you know, in daylight. Film on this camera, film in 2500 ISO outside. Throw some ND filter on it, you know what I mean? Expose it correctly, white balance it right, and oh my God, wait till you see what you can do with 2500 ISO. And if you're using CINE EI, you bring it down to 2 stops. Drop it down 2 stops in post, butter, okay? Now, for the nighttime, would I use 2500 at nighttime? No, because I want to favor shadow detail. So I'm shooting at 800. Yeah, good lighting, shooting at 800, and I'm dropping down 2 stops, or maybe a stop and a half, all right? So it's crazy what this Sony Fx30 could do. I'm definitely gonna get my hands on the Fx3, I have to, or Fx6. Because this camera is literally reconstructing my whole mind and purpose. Dude, I'm literally blown away. Now, I did a scene, a scene for my film outside in the snow for my up-and-coming movie I'm doing. And dude, I filmed it at 2500 ISO. I was scared at first. I was like, man, what if I it don't look right? But dude, it catches literally all the detail that I need, because you got to think about it. When you're in your dual ISO, when you're in 2500 and you switch that gain circuit, it's favoring highlights. It's trying to capture more light, you know? So it makes sense why the 2500 works in the daylight. And when you want that 800 circuit, you're favoring is favoring the shadow detail. You know what I mean? So it makes sense, and CINE EI just makes everything so better. Oh my, I just can't express the beautifulness that the Sony Fx30 can do. And I'm just like, it reprogrammed my whole mind for cinematography, you know? I'm sure there's a lot of different cameras I want to try. I love my ZR, but there's a lot of different cameras I want to try. Like, you know, I want to try out the GFX Eterna, man. Like, bro, it's IMAX approved, you know, you got that medium format sensor, but the price of it is astronomical. No way I'm gonna probably get that camera unless I hit the lottery or Fuji give me a contract with them to talk about their camera or something like that. It's probably the only way I'm gonna get that camera. But dude, let me tell you, man. Yo, I need to like this hype, this new experience and new enlightenment of this Fx30. It's literally the next level. They're working on somebody's house next door. Let me switch scenes. There's no way that this camera, Fx30, is outperforming new cameras that came out today. And I'm telling you right now, this Fx30, the Fx3, dude, I don't think cameras got them beat still. And they're old cameras. Once you, it really doesn't, it's starting to feel like it doesn't matter what camera you have, but it does, because you do need that Fx3 in your hand. I'm very interested in the Lumix S1 II as well. Want to see how that airy look and color science and stuff like that and play with that. But dude, I'm not gonna say nothing. I'm just gonna let you see it yourself. In 1, 2, 3. Yan ya yan ya. Oh ya 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 ya. Why yan na yan ya. Yan ya yan ya ya. Yan 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 ya. Yan yan yo ya. Wan yan yen len yan yan na. Om yan yan yan. Wan yan 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 yan. Walan yan yan. Yan ya. Yan 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 ya yan yan yan. Oh ya. Wan yan yan. Oh ya ya. Yan 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 ya ya. Ay 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 ya ya. Oh ne na sha ya. Yan ya la sha. Yan non ya. Oh no why yan yan ya why. Oh young yes yeah yeah yeah. Oh yeah yeah.